I found this website in Google while I'm searching Google with this keyword, but I'm seeing there is few issues in this website that is not looking so good for this website, and this website is not coded well by following standard coding structure or something like this. Let's see. I'm seeing a wrong markup or wrong coding here. What is wrong? Let's see. This is a container, and the container will have left or right column. This is left column and this is right columm. But I'm seeing the image is not inside the left column. You can see here is the main container. This image will make problem in responsive design. I'll show you later. Just wait. Then I'm seeing there is much more space, and this 4 column is not looking so good to me. They could use 2 column and then in bottom other 2 column, or they can style this with different way. It's not looking so good. Now see this page how it's looking in mobile devices. So we will reduce the here. I'm seeing 4 errors. This website looking for errors. Here the red colors are errors for this website. They must remove the error and they must fix this error. Now see how this website is looking in mobile device. We will select any mobile device. Let's say I'm selecting Galaxy Note. Then I'm refreshing the page again. The page is loaded. Nice. Now see, yeah, you can see in this button the slider dots are inside this button, which is not good. You can see here the slider dot. Here in this slider the dots are not visible. Entirely I'm not seeing where is the dot slider dots here maybe. So this need to fix the slider dots. Here I'm seeing a lot of space. Sometimes in this website there are a lot of space. You see here is the image I have said in earlier. This image is not showing in mobile device. So where the image? Let us found the image where they keep this image. The image is inside, maybe inside this background image. Here is the image. We have found this background image, but this image is not visible in mobile device. You see, the image is gone. Here the image is gone. So this is not standard markup or standard coding, and the UI of this website is not so good. Let's fix this image. This must be an image by HTML, but not inside CSS image. Let's see if we keep the background position left, then the image is going to here. We will use percentage to fix the background image. I'm not saying this. Here the image is visible here. So if they do not want the background image in, so if they do not want the background image in mobile device, they can hide this background image. I'm saying the image is not looking so good in this text, so they can easily remove the background image in mobile device. Background, do not need background image. Then we need to remove this free space here, and also from here there are a lot of free space. Here you can see also free space lot of in mobile device. In mobile device, you do not need a lot of free space. And these images are looking so good, but it is looking a little bit bigger. Okay. Then we need to go another page to check. It's like if you go to this page, you see this website is a large website having a lot of pages. Here I'm seeing a lot of free space. So why there will be a lot of free space, and let's see what inside there. Here you can see it is div plus image image. So there must will be something here, but there is nothing. Just free space. We think there will be an image as it is div plus image, but there is no image. But it is using extra space. We will remove this space. Let's see. Just stop this CSS. Then we have explore the last episode below. So there must be something here, but it's missing. Then yeah, it is also there must be something here, but it is also missing. The same thing. It is also uses hide. Yeah, this is same thing. Div plus image, but there is nothing. This section doesn't look so good to me. Large image, but here so small something. Then there is more space. Okay, then this button is not aligned rightly. Then this button should align rightly. Should be aligned properly. Here you can see a dash icon in the top corner while mouse entering. I don't know where the dash button where. Here in this section there is only one PDF file downloading, nothing else. Then we need to check this page in mobile device. There is 5 errors. We will select any mobile device. Then we will refresh the page again to reload all things in mobile device. How it will look. Let us find from the first. Okay, where is the logo? I'm refreshing the page again, but I'm not seeing the logo. Okay, now this button is so close together, so there must be any space between these two buttons. We can use margin button. Margin button will make few space like this or this. Then here is a lot of space for a section. There must be less space. Then here is free spaces also, the image space. Then you can see this video is not responsive. The video is cut off in a small device like mobile. So a lot of visitors will come from mobile device. So this website must be responsive to look professional in mobile device. We need to find the videos. Where is the videos? We will make it responsive. Let me find the videos. Where is the video? I will make it visible the entire video. The video is here something, but maybe this is video. This is iframe. Okay, we will work in this. The iframe is inside p tag, which is not. Iframe p means paragraph, so it is not paragraph. It is video. The video or iframe itself will be rendered as like iframe, but not inside p tag. You can see the video is now entirely visible. Then it is not in 100% white. There is something padding. Maybe we will remove the padding. Here is padding also. We will remove the padding. Then here is padding also. We remove the padding. This website is not the section inside section, which is not correct. And then a container. Here is another container. Then again there is another container. Here is section. Then again there is another section, which is not. And here is another section. This website is not coded correctly. And now it is looking so good. And looking at our video, then here is this space, lot of space I think. Okay, then you see here is another space, free space. We will remove the free spaces from this website. Here is another free space. We must remove any free spaces. Then here you can see this video is not full wide and looking so small. We need to increase this video to make this full wide. We will see minimum height, clicks basis. Here you can remove this padding 0, and maybe this container use. Here you can see fixed wide. We must use 100% wide instead of fixed wide doesn't make a container responsive in mobile and looking very professional and very nice. That's fine if there are another fixed wide. Okay, here is a lot of padding. This padding is making issue. We can use maximum 15 padding, 15 pixel. Then okay, here padding is 0 is perfect. Now you can see this video is in full white, just like this full white text. The video is also in full white. And now we can see this text is not full white. We will make padding left 10 pixel or something. Now you can see the text is in full white, but it's still not full white. We will use padding right 0. Padding right 0. Oh no, I need to use padding right 0. Now padding left 0. Yeah, now we see this text, this video section and this text are looking so good and professional. There is extra free space I'm saying. There should not be any free space. Unnecessary free space. We will remove unnecessary free space. I'm not saying here is the issue. Minimum height, it is the issue. It's making free space. You can override the CSS minimum height. Inherit. Then other spaces issues padding. And this is another section, and then this is another section. Then if you go to other section on this website, this image is looking so bigger. Maybe they need to reduce. Here I'm seeing another lot of space. Here is also a lot of space. Here is also, and then here is also. This also need to fix, I think, in many regards. Here is a lot of space in bottom. Let me refresh the page again so that our CSS is gone, and then this space is okay. So if we go to another page, it's like product page or something. Okay, so this product page it is looking nice till now. Let's show how it is looking in a responsive mobile device. Here is 7 error. Okay, now we will check. This image is looking so bigger to me. Then there is not free space. Then we need to here is a free space. We don't want this type of free space. Unnecessarily a lot of free space. Okay, this space this page is few blocks only. Let's see how it is looking in mobile device. Uses few button only, nothing more. But you can see these buttons don't use any transition effect. So what is transition effect? When I am hovering this button or entering mouse inside this button, then it's changing its background color so rapidly. You see, it start turning to white so rapidly. Now, if we use transition, it will make this nicer. Let's see, transition 0.5 seconds. Now you will see this will change the background color. It will be slowly and smoothly changing the background color. Okay, let's take another pages. Okay, this is maybe a video in the background. Then there is a lot of free space. This section, let's see how it is looking in mobile devices. So after selecting any mobile device, we will represent the page again. You can see the background image is cut here in mobile device. Here the man or the patient head is cutted in background, and not looking the entire body of this patient. The main video of this to look this man and not this free spaces. This is the entire video, but we don't need this kind of free space. We mainly need this patient to show, but it's cutted in mobile device. Then it's like this. This video is showing entirely. Okay, then the circles are a little bit bigger in mobile device. We can reduce the circle and enter it. Then here everything is okay and looking nice. Maybe they can use little bit space here inside this gray area to make it more professional. And here they can reduce the gray space. Okay, then what they can improve, they can make it as a button or reduce this space or download button. Okay, so if we review each pages, I think we can found little bit CSS issue on each pages. Till now we are seeing issues. Nice banner image. Let's see if this banner image is cut in mobile devices. You see the banner image is looking whitish, but in mobile device it is looking so nice. See, it is looking nice, but I'm also saying this section is not looking in mobile devices. This text section is not showing in mobile device. I have noticed. You can see this will be hidden. Let me reduce the viewport. You see the background image is turned to other pixel, and then this text is not there entirely. The text is entirely gone. So why the background image is not looking nice and looking like this. This is not so good. We need to visible the text here first. Hide this. Maybe they need to hide. I do not know. Maybe they hide. They can keep something in the banner section to show. If they don't want to show this text in mobile, they can keep another text here to look nicer. And then we need to find why the background image is turning to from this nice image into this. Why? We need to find this issue. And so for this, we need to first identify why is the background image. This is maybe background image they use. We can easily find it in the div area. We just need to find it in the div area. A lot of padding I'm seeing here. Anyway, here is the background image I'm seeing. And maybe this is causing the issue. We can use background transparent. Here, that is gone. Now to look this text nicer, we can use background color for the text area only, as like this. Let me show you. Background here, I'm seeing a lot of free space also here because they use BR tag. So using background image would not look so good. Sorry, using background color it would look so good. Let me show you. You see the background color in the background is taking the entire BR tag side. Here they need to use white color to see this kind of color text. You see they need to remove the background. We need to remove the background height. You can also use padding like this. We can fix easily this website nicely if we use classes instead of this kind of individual fix. You see there is height, mass height. We mass more height. We will reduce this height like this. Let me reduce the height. They use some necessary tag here. BR tag. These are unnecessarily. I don't know about the developer of this website, but this is badly designed. Here the extra height space is gone. We can use this kind of background color for this both text also. That will look nicer, visible. Or we can reduce this text area to like this from this, and also we can keep this text in bottom of this image or anything we can do to make it more professional. So I think this website need to fix few tags or need to fix styles issues to make it more visual. This website uses a strong background coding, but the visitors will see only the front end. So maybe they need to fix the front end issues. Any button does not use any transition effect. You can see starting background color so fast. So a little bit transition will make it professional. So why they are not using any transition? You can see now the text is changing background color smoother. Okay. Okay. So I think they need to fix the website visual issues for mobile devices, responsive issues, and this will make this website much more professional. you will see it is showing bad design in mobile devices in the home page. Here is the bad design issue. Why the carousel dots will be inside this button? Why? This dot must be inside there something, and do not disturb any of the button or any of the background colors like this. Here is not showing any button. I think this website needs a lot of fixes. Okay, thank you.